Cartoon Story Hub.
You know, I'm genuinely very curious about the planet Mars. What do you say if you'd like we could go and visit it together? That way, we'd get to see if there's life on the planet Mars.
A small child and his yellow dinosaur friend were watching the stars one night in their backyard. A bright red light shining in the sky caught their attention. That light was Mars. After a long, deep contemplation, the pair made a big decision. They would go to Mars and explore the planet. The next day, with great excitement, they gathered old cardboard boxes. On these boxes, which they decorated with paints, they wrote Mars Mission. The child was busy cutting and gluing with scissors, while the little dinosaur helped him, stirring the paint with its tail. By the time evening fell, a vibrant, colorful cardboard rocket stood ready in the garden center. As midnight approached, the child pressed a tiny button, and in that very instant, a true miracle unfolded. The rocket they made from cardboard started emitting light, and within a few seconds turned into a real spaceship. Both the child and the dinosaur couldn't believe their eyes from excitement. They boarded the rocket, fastened their seatbelts, and with a loud roar, launched into the sky. As they journeyed through space, they glided among the stars, passing by bright comets. Gazing out the window, the two were captivated by the beauty of the universe. After a long journey, they finally arrived on Mars. They performed a soft landing on the red and dusty surface. The moment they opened the door, they were confronted by the crimson landscape. The little child and the dinosaur took their first steps onto Mars' surface with great excitement. They curiously examined their surroundings, observing every detail carefully. Following a short walk, they stumbled upon some peculiar, rounded stones. From among these rocks, crystals, glowing a vibrant deep red, were emerging. When the dinosaur gently touched the crystals, a soft light emanated from deep within. Both looked at each other, completely taken aback. A little further on, tiny, friendly Martian creatures emerged from the red sands. The small creatures then approached them and offered a greeting. The child and the dinosaur also smiled in return. The Martian little ones invited their guests to follow them with hand gestures. Following their trail, they reached the secret underground city of Mars. This city was entirely filled with structures made of pure crystals. The crystals were producing both light and energy. Even the trees were thriving on light. The child and the dinosaur gazed in wonder at this enchanting city. The Martians proved to be incredibly hospitable. They presented the pair with a small, heart-shaped, glowing crystal. They explained that this gift was a symbol of their burgeoning friendship. When the child took the gift in his hand, the crystal faintly sparkled. The duo, their mission now complete, understood it was time to return to Earth. They said their goodbyes to their Martian friends and then boarded their rockets. As they slowly departed from the red planet, they looked out the window, smiling and waving goodbye. After their long return journey, the rocket touched down in their backyard. The pair stepped outside and gazed at each other. Only then did they truly grasp the magnitude of the adventure they had lived. As night fell, the child and dinosaur slept among their storybooks. But the same question was on both their minds. Which planet would be next for their adventures?